All right, you guys, this is the tips and tricks video for the hallway step. So before we start out, we're going to work on a few different warm-ups. So after you've done your normal warm-ups, you're going to go open your toes again, make sure you're all the way up, squeezing your heels together nice and tight, and squeeze your legs from top to bottom. Everything is super, super tight right here. All right, drop down. Okay, so that's pretty much normal, but when you guys are doing this next step, you're gonna really, really watch that. There's a few things where you'll have to keep your feet super together to finish it out. We're gonna do a couple more exercises before we do some butterflies. So you're gonna be up like this, bring your foot out, make sure your toes turned out, use all your toes to push up, and then let it down. Up, down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep it really slow, 8, switch, up, down, 2, 3, use all your toes, remember, 4, 5, slow, 6, 7, last one, 8, good. All right, so that's gonna help you as you're getting up on your toes, using your jump height to go into the next thing. We're gonna start with butterflies. Remember, I'm on my left foot, but you are on your right. I'm your mirror. So you're gonna go up on your toes. We're going to go jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, and then one last time. So 4 times all together. Ready, set, go. Jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly. Okay, here we go again. Same thing, ready, set, go. Jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly. Remember, the most important part is going to be the freeze with your heels together. So your feet flutter in really quick and then snap out. Okay, here we go again. Last time, ready, set, go. Jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly, jump, jump, butterfly. Okay, so the butterfly is right at the beginning of the step. It's not too weird. The next thing we're going to go over is something towards the middle of the step. You're going to overcross your point. So this is normal, just like this. Turned out, cross, back foot's turned out. It's kind of weird to see it in the camera. Anyway, so all you're going to do is just over to the side just a bit. So you're slightly facing sideways. Your foot is overcrossed. You're going to go into a cut, and then you're going to go kick, step. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Crossover point, cut, kick, step. Here we go again. Ready, set, go. Cut, kick, step. Let's try it on the other side. Your foot's overcrossed in a point. We go cut, kick, step. Here we go again. Ready?